Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put vitamin E capsules on your face using an easy method. First, ensure your face is thoroughly cleansed. This prepares your skin to absorb the beneficial oil effectively. Next, gather your supplies: vitamin E capsules, a small, clean bowl, and a sterile pin. Before full application, always perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area of your skin to check for any sensitivities. This simple step helps ensure a safe and positive experience. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Take 1 or 2 vitamin E capsules, depending on how much oil you need. Using a clean, sterile pin, carefully puncture the end of each capsule. Gently squeeze the rich, golden oil from the capsules directly into your small, clean bowl. It's important to ensure your hands are clean throughout this process to avoid introducing any impurities to the oil or your skin. This simple step makes the oil ready for application. With the vitamin E oil ready, it's time for application. Dip a clean fingertip into the bowl and gently dab the oil onto your face. Using soft, upward, and circular motions, massage the oil into your skin. Pay special attention to areas that feel dry, show fine lines, or need a little extra love. The gentle massage helps the oil penetrate deeply, maximizing its nourishing benefits. Remember, a little goes a long way. After applying the vitamin E oil, give it some time to work its magic. Allow the oil to absorb into your skin for at least 15 to 20 minutes. If you notice any excess oil remaining on your skin, gently blot it away with a soft, clean tissue. For best results, consider incorporating this treatment into your routine 2 to 3 times weekly. Consistency is key to achieving a healthy, radiant complexion with vitamin E.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.